Hey guys, Amp here bringing you another Affinity photo tutorial, and in this tutorial we'll be going over how to saturate an unsaturated photo. So the first thing we're going to do is come over here, and we're going to click on Vibrance, and bring up Vibrance probably to around 100%, depends on your image. We are then going to go in an HSL adjustment. Now you can edit in Master, don't go too high in saturation. It'll look good if you go master low, but I'm going to reset and go one by one. So you can start with reds, see where you want red to be, adjust some yellow, adjust some green, some cyan, some blue, and finally some magentas. Exit out of this dialog box, come over and down. We're going to go to shadows and highlights. We can bring some shadows up, some highlights up just a little, maybe 10%. And now our image is fully saturated. We have successfully saturated an unsaturated photo. As you can see, after I've grouped here and selected it on and off, there's a big difference. So the whole goal of this is to kind of brighten up an image if your camera doesn't pick up brightness that well, or you were lit in a bad light, then everything should work out fine. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Affinity photo and Affinity design tutorials. Thanks for watching.